Hello guys, watching Droid Crunch. I'm Lokesh Kapoor, and in this video I'm going to tell you how you can create off-canvas menu with ElementsKit. I have already showed you how to create off-canvas menu with dynamic content for Elementor. You can check out the video in the description, or I will leave it in the cards, so you can check out from there as well. So I am using ElementsKit for this purpose now. So we'll be using this plugin only for making off-canvas menu. It's a wonderful plugin, and there are tons of elements, widgets that you can use in your website, and it's an all-in-one add-on for Elementor, and you will love using it. There are bunch of options, there are templates and all those things, mega menu, and there are many things. And if you just check out the link in the description, you will get to know all the features of this plugin. For now, let me just quickly jump to the website to show you the off canvas menu. So I'm using this page. So just click search off canvas. I have already showed you tutorial on this, and this time here is header of canvas for ElementsKit. Here is the button, as you can see. So the close section like this. What you need to do, just click on this and click here to add content. It will open this pop-up to create the section. So in dynamic O, you had to create a template, and in this plugin you can just create a template from this pop-up area only. So you can just add the navigation and all those things that you want to display. I am using navigation menu. You can choose any menu, right? You can add some text or anything, right? So this little text about your company or whatever, footer section or the same text. You can add social links, social icons, ElementsKit social icons I'm using. Cool. Or maybe I can do this. So let's update this and get back to this. Now when you click it, it will show you the content that you created recently. So this is how it works. It's very easy to do this with this plugin. You can change the styling by using the color, right? The background color. You can change the icon that is shown here, and you can change the closed icon and hamburger icon, both the icons. When you go to style, you can find all the stylings for hamburger and closed, right? You can also change the styling for your off canvas panel, right? You can change its width. Cool, isn't it? So it all depends on how you want it to look in your website. You can change the background color. It's changed. You can change its position, whether you want to show it on left or right. If you want your hamburger icon to show on the right, then you can show the off-canvas panel on the left, and vice versa. So it's all there in this widget. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can definitely do a lot by customizing this template. I have not used much into it, but have showed you how you can do it. So you can definitely do it by yourself. And I hope you enjoyed this video. For watching more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you get notified about the new videos. Till then, bye bye and have a wonderful day.